Now, so what you do for me? Listen to me. Oh. Listen very well, oh. Okay? Assume that your spirit husband glued the both of you together. Eh? What you do for me? You give him from the back because that's what is even annoying the spirit husband, the assumed spirit husband. Is that clear? Now you will come in now to appease the spirit husband. You understand?
Yes, sir.
As soon as you appease the spirit husband, so that they will be free from this glue, you know that glue now, magnum.
Yes.
So that's what you just do for me. I don't want you to add additional or nothing. Just go straight and deliver from me. Exactly. Yes, Sound, are you ready? Are you supposed to take this shot from here?
Sure.
From here?
Yes, sir.
It's better like this, Abi?
Yes, very
good. Good. Perfect. Oh yeah.
That means I'll face the river and do the.
I don't know how you have to be creative. Be creative.
Okay.
Be creative. Is that clear?
And let me just stand here.
Rolling. Action.
Oh la 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 la. Leke.
Cut. What's going on here now? What kind of incantation is this now? I said appease the spirit husband. As simple as that. What are you doing? What's wrong with you now?
No, I'm trying to start the incantation.
Good. Ready? Take two. Action.
Oh Lord of the seven rivers and the seven gods. Your son is here. Come take charge. Those that are separated, those that are glued together, let go from the spirit of the spirit world, from the world of the wordless world, from the seven gods, from the seven rivers, from the deep ocean. Appear now!
Cut. If you are the spirit husband and I call you like that, will you come?
It all depends on the distance.
Will you come? If you are the spirit husband now, I said to you can do this kind of incantation, will you come out? Take it again, please.
Or should I change the language?
Let me see what you have.
Director, sir, this guy not dey bend well.
See, I don't like all these things. Deliver this thing for me now. If you cannot bend, I will change you. Esosa! Please get ready for me. If you fail, I'll bring Esosa on set.
She's not even bending.
I will try, sir.
Bend! Let me see what first. Oh, perfect.
Okay.
Take three.
What about the incantation? Is it okay?
You are taking it again.
Okay.
Take three. Rolling. Action.
Oh God of the seven rivers, the seven gods with one eye, the seven gods in the mighty ocean.
How long? Wait, cut. I gave you your script since when? I gave you your script since last month. And here you can't even deliver your lines?
Sir, the lines are not used to, you know, some gods are not used to every line. So you need to use the actual line. Okay, should I continue with this last one?
Continue.
Okay, thank you, sir. Okay. Oh God of the mighty ocean, seven rivers with one eye, come and separate these two humans that are glued together with their level of immorality. Oh God of seven rivers, appear now! Appear now! Appear!
We don't come. We don't through come. Hey, Jesus. Now drama will do. Set us free.
You will remain like that until I
Can you move? No. Hey, director, don't put us on wahala. Because you are jumping, you are putting it. Oh God, Jesus, don't jump again. Oh, I beg for you.
I am woman too much. Woman. Think say they wise.